Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add a text on a picture by Picsart application on your device, iPhone or iOS. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Picsart application and choose which photos that we want to add the text to. For me, I want to choose this one. And how to add text into the Picsart, just need to take a look on this bottom line. There will be a lot of features here, and you just need to go into the text button. And now you can type the text that you want to have on this picture. For me, let's go with a traditional market. And after you finish, you just need to click done in this right upper corner here. And to styling this typewriting, you just need to take a look on this bottom line. There will be a lot of fonts. You can just need to click see all to explore the fonts that you can apply into the typewriting. So this all font is provided by the CapCut, by the Picsart. So you can choose any fonts that you want. Okay, so I want to do with this. And after you finish, you just need to adjusting any other type. So I want to adjusting the styles, just like to slide into the left side and find out which style that we can use here. Okay, I want to use this. And after you finish, you just need to explore anything that you want to. If you want to have like a color for the outer line, just go into the stroke. If you want to have a color inner line or inner part, just go into the color like that. Okay, and after you finish, you just need to click apply. And that's all the way how you add text into your picture on a Picsart application. If you find out this video is quite useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.